Hi guys, Luke Mangan here. We're all bunkered up inside and now is the perfect time for some home cooking. My special penne pasta, sausage, tomatoes, garlic and peas. Really simple, really tasty, so let's get cooking. Okay, so first step, some good olive oil, medium to hot pan. Chorizo sausage, just roughly cut it into pieces like that. And then we're gonna throw in this chopped chorizo sausage. Sauteing for about, 3 minutes. I'm just adding the garlic. You can see that garlic and chorizo is all nicely caramelized. Then I'll halve some cherry tomatoes, put them in there, and they'll all cook down really nicely. Okay, so that's been sort of stewing for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm gonna add this tin tomato. Beautiful. Then I throw in a bit of chicken stock or white wine, and that just gets all the flavours coming out. I've pre-cooked some penne pasta. You can use fettuccine or spaghetti, whatever pasta you've got in the cupboard. One pot cooking, I just love it. Give it a good mix, coat that pasta in that rich tomato sauce, and then you can add your frozen peas. Look at that. Give that a good mix. And you can just see how this beautiful one-pot dinner all comes together. So, gonna get some fresh herbs, some basil. If you don't have basil or other herbs, parsley works really well. Tear that in just nicely. Look at that, beautiful tomato, garlic, sausage flavor, unbelievable. And you can just see how this beautiful one-pot dinner all comes together. All that is absolutely beautiful. Now, this is all we need to do. To serve this, just get some parmesan and just grate a whole lot of beautiful parmesan over that. So there you have it, my one-pot wonder. Penne pasta, sausage, garlic, tomatoes. Delicious. Bellissimo.